Welcome to Salika Mag. Today's tutorial about cigarette pant or fitting pant for ladies. You can make your own measurements according to your own measurements. So in this lesson you will learn how to take measurement, drafting, marking, cutting, and adding the side pocket, adding the belt, each and everything. So don't skip from any point. So that's how you can take measurements. I write here the inches and in the centimeter, so because some people are comfortable in centimeters as well. So my according to that I take my measurement. So I also show here in this picture that how you take measurement. First the waist, then hip, then the crotch, then the total length, and then hemline. So all these measurements are required, and you can see here by sitting on a chair you can take your crotch measurement. So after taking all these measurement, we will cut our fabric front and back separately. So first I will show you how you can cut your front, and then we will mark and cut the back. So guys, if you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a video tutorial, you will get notification. So that's how you take the hem for your pants. So let's go to the marking. Here I take the total length, then I minus 2 inches for the belt, and after that I add 3 inches for my hemline because we need to turn from the hem. So here I'm just cutting the extra. Each and every measurement I write on my screen, so you can keep checking the screen, and if any confusion you can recheck it. And here we need to fold fabric, so that's why I'm going to cut it because this is now in 4 folds. So let me tell you how to fold fabric. Suppose this is your fabric and it's wider width fabric, because I'm using wider width fabric. So that's how you have to cut in 2 pieces. Then I will show you how, if your fabric is not wider, something like this, then you have to fold it this way, and then again you can take the length according to your desired length. So that's how. And you need this scale. This has a slight curve, but you can use a regular curve with a little bent it, and but it's a good option if you buy this type of scale for perfect fitting. But while I will mark, I will show you how you can mark even with the simple scale. So here I just marked the half inches because we need some for the sewing allowance, and then I just mark the crotch, and I just mark here a line. And after that we need to make here a little curve. This is actually our sides of our pants, and then I mark the waistline that my actual size, then I add plus 3 inches, and then I divide it by 4. You can recheck it. I just write on the screen, so you can go back and replay the video. See here I also add 2.5 inches for my dot, because we are making this pants with a dot. So dot width is total 1 inches, so half inch one side, half inch on the other side, and total length of dot is 4 inches. If you are very beginner, you can check in my playlist how to make dot and a complete introduction. I already make a complete video, but here also I will show you how you can stitch this dots. Now I just take the center of this line, and I'm going to join this line like this way until end. Basically I'm doing my this fabric, the half of this fabric, and then we will mark here a vertical line, so that this line will be going to our crease. So now the hip line. So for hip line again we need to add 4 inches for the ease, and then we divide that by 4 because we are cutting our trouser in 4 parts. So now the hemline we need to divide it by 2. Like here I need 12, so I divide it by 2. So that's how you use the regular scale, but I'm going to use my this scale for all these joining lines, something like this inner curve, and then again from here the straight line, and then again this inner curve like this way. Guys, if this video is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button or give me your feedback. So here I'm leaving 3 inches for the fold, and I will just draw here a line, and remember that this is 2 fold fabric, and we are cutting just the front now, and after that we will cut the back side. So this is the final look of our front, and after that I will add the seam allowances, 1/2 inch all the way we need to add the seam allowance. But if you are working on a very lightweight type of cotton, add at least 1 inch. And I'm using a spandex fabric, a stretchy fabric, because I feel this is very comfortable fabric. But if you are making with cotton or very lightweight fabric, make sure that you add the ease more, so that it will be comfortable. So that's how I'm just cutting it, and then we will start marking the front, the back. So for back again, I just place my fabric 2 fold, and I place my front as a pattern, and we need 2 inches or 5 centimeter this side on the cross side extra than our front, and then I will join this line. So this will be a little slant line here, so only the crotch part is a little high than the front because our back is heavy. And after that also this hip line is 2 inches extra than the front, and then I will join all this line, and all the way from this side I will add the 2 inches. But on the other side I will mark exactly as our front. Only this side I'm adding the 2 inches extra, because if you notice in the pants there is always the back side is bigger than the front. So that's how we need to add, and then just join all this with the scale. So after marking all these things, I will cut this and will show you how we stitch. And guys, give me your feedback, and also let me know in the comments that what next bottom you want to learn. And I already uploaded the Plazo, you can check on my playlist. So now it's time to cut our back side. So as you just see that we stitched the dots, and now it's pocket, 12 inches the depth of the pocket and 6 inches from the top and 7 inches from the bottom, and then I will do a little curve here, and then I will attach. You can make more deep if you want more deep pocket, is up to you. So after that we will stitch this here with a straight line, only ½ inch stitching allowance, and then same way we will attach with the back. So after attaching the pockets, it's time to stitch the sides, the left and right side of your trouser, and after that we will attach the crotch. And see, now it's time to attach the crotch. You need to attach the center with the center, and make sure you attach the pins so it will come perfectly, and then front part with the front and back with the back. That's how you need to place it, and add the pins here, and after that we will stitch here. You need to stitch with a little curve. Let me mark here so you can get an idea. At this point, the crotch, this is the point here, so just make it a little round. Okay, so now again we are going to our machine and stitch it. And guys, if you notice that this time I'm not using serger. Why? Because after stitching all these things, we need to open our seams. That's how we press our pants. So that's why if you want to use the serger before stitching anything, just use the serger and then stitch with the regular machine. So here I just attach it my pocket with a straight stitch, and so that it will be easy to attach the belt. So now it's time to attach the belt. We need the belt according to our waist. So here we are taking 21 plus 1 inch for the seam allowance, and the width of this fabric is 4 inches, because after fold it will become 2 inches. So that's how you need to attach all this thing, and mark the side and attach side with the side, center front with the center front, and center back with the center back, and stitch all the way. So guys, if this tutorial is helpful for you, please give me your feedback. It will really encourage me to make more detailed tutorials, because obviously I need feedback, and at least press a thumbs up button, so I know that people are liking this video. So I will make more detailed tutorials. So now I just take my elastic according to my waist, something like this, and make sure here mark. So sometime elastic twist inside, that's why. So just insert your elastic, and after that we will stitch it with machine, and the opening also you need to stitch. And here for the pockets closing, I'm just using serger. Now it's time for pressing. As you can see, I open my seams and press it properly. That's how you need to press it, and then hold from your this dot point and from the bottom, and then make a crease, and make sure that you use the steam press. I'm just showing you actually this iron is not on, but anyways, if you want this stuff, let me know in the comments. Thank you.